Get ready to explore breaking news, in-depth analysis, expert interviews, and market trends that shape the crypto sphere. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Do you guys know what time it is? We're going to be doing our daily discussion regarding Kaspa, see what is happening with the price of the cast, and of course, what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at a majority of the markets today, you guys can see we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board. And that is because Bitcoin has made its way back above $52,000. As you know, over the past few hours, we were seeing a little bit of a pullback, especially yesterday for Bitcoin. But as of recording this update right now, we are seeing BTC back about the $52,200 mark, which of course is going to impact the entire market. Surprisingly, we're not seeing Bitcoin dominance. Also, shoot or not, Bitcoin dominance is, pretty much holding where it was yesterday, if not also going down a little bit, which is even better for altcoins. And you could pretty much see this for yourself. Pretty much everything right now in the crypto space in terms of altcoins is up. So we're going to talk about Kaspa, of course, see what is happening with the price of Ks and of course, what is yet to come. So if we're looking at the price as of February 18th, it's currently sitting at 16.5 cents. We're up 1.7 over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap right now is approaching the $3.08 billion mark, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at almost $50 million. So yes, we have seen the overall trading volume over the past 2 days decrease quite substantially. But again, that is to be expected. And one thing you guys want to be noticing is how the price is still holding despite the volume. So let's take a look at it. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as of recording this update, you can see Bitcoin is sitting at the $52,300 mark. We are seeing Bitcoin making its way back up to the yearly high. We're very, very close to the yearly high, to be quite frank with you guys, for us to retest that you had. That's only a move of about 1A. And what's going to be crazy is if we're able to close the daily candle above that range, which again is in about 3 hours. If we're able to close the daily candle above this, I think we can see so much excitement coming in this upcoming week. That is approaching us. So it's going to be interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts and how it closes the daily candle. But if it's able to close the daily candle where it's currently sitting, I'm okay with this. This is a bullish thing if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance. On the other hand, Bitcoin dominance is pulling down, which I mentioned earlier in the update. Even though Bitcoin is gaining a lot of traction as we speak, we're still seeing Bitcoin dominance holding around this level, which is giving a lot of altcoins a breather. You could see this for yourself. Altcoins are having their time right now. But with that said, let's take a look at Kaspa, see what is happening with the price of Kaspa, and of course, what is yet to come. So now I'm going to officially move the Fibonacci retracement level up towards its all-time high. So let's move this. There we are. So as you can see for yourself, despite a little bit of a pullback that we did see with Bitcoin over the past 24 hours, we're still seeing Kaspa holding in the 23.65 Fibonacci retracement level. And what you're starting to see Kaspa do is, of course, yesterday it made its way down to 15.9 cents. But, since then, if you picked up some Kaspa, but that range, Kaspa is up about 3, but that's not the most important thing. The most important thing that you want to be looking at is we're very, very close to retesting that resistance once again, which is its all-time high at 17 cents for us to retest that. That is a move of about roughly 3. And honestly, I think we could see that happening, especially if Bitcoin can push into this new yearly high or potentially even get close to that. And if it's able to close its daily candle at that level, I think Kaspa will see the push that we all have been waiting for. So a lot of excitement. Definitely, it's holding good. Now, again, as of now, no confirmation or not actual news that is telling us why, this move that we have seen over the past 2 weeks. Do you know why? This is causing what is the catalyst behind it? But in my personal opinion, I'm going to, stick with what I think. I think it's, massive amounts of Kaspa that is being picked up by some big exchanges right now. So far we've been pretty much accurate spot on in terms of exchange listings. But as of now, it's not listed on the big boy exchanges. And do you think now let me go on the markets and let's kind of take a look at where it's listed because I kind of want to talk about that today. So we have banks, KuCoin, and Bybit. And I've mentioned this to you guys before, the two big exchanges, in my opinion, out of this KuCoin and Bybit. And I'm not even too big of a fan of Bybit, but KuCoin, of course, is the OG exchange. But Bybit is huge too. Don't get me wrong, but these are the two big exchanges that have listed Kaspa right now. And let's go take a look at yeah, you can pretty much see this for yourself. That's pretty much it. But now if I were to show you the big boys, let's go take a look at that. So crypto exchanges, you can see OKEX, not anywhere to be seen. Coinbase is not anywhere to be seen. Kraken not anywhere to be seen. Bitstamp, Bitfinex, Binance, you can get the idea as to what I'm saying. And these exchanges, do you think they're not aware of what Kaspa is doing? They are 100 aware of what Kaspa is doing, and the best way to kind of get an indication of that. If you're asking yourself crypto, how do you know that? They are aware of it. As you know, Binance has already listed Kaspa, not on their spot platform, but on their futures platform. As you know, if you understand exchanges make a majority of their money out of trading fees, and they make tons of money on the futures side of things. So it's no secret that they listed it on the futures platform. They know there's so much hype behind Kaspa. They know people are interested. So they knew the opportunity was there to earn some massive amounts of profits before the other big boys came in and started listing it on their platforms. As of now, Binance is the only one, but we haven't seen the spot listing as of now. But I think we're getting closer and closer to that time frame. And yeah, this massive move that we have seen is going to get exchanges to look at it more than before. But I like what I'm seeing, love, and where the price of Kaspa is currently sitting. And, we're very close to all-time highs. Of course, we can't even do any technical analysis as of now. The major support line, of course, right now is at 15.4 cents. And again, the 15.4 cents was our previous all-time high, which was in November of last year. You can see this for yourself. That is a move of about SEK. That is a huge level of support, in my opinion. And I think if the prices were to retrace, if Bitcoin were to see a fake out, we could see the price of Kaspa heading back down to that level. I would not be surprised. But like what I'm seeing, very close to all-time highs. And I think the 18 cents target is getting closer and closer. I've seen a lot of comments coming in. Some people are saying Kaspa is going to go to 35 cents. Before having some are saying 25 again. The predictions are all over the place, but one step at a time, of course. But my main target right now is at 18 cents forecast. That's where my eyes are on. And I think we are getting closer and closer to that point. But let me know down below what you guys think. As always, thank you for being a part of our crypto journey. Together, we're building a stronger, more informed community that empowers everyone to embrace the future of finance.